Hey everybody, today we are going to do a video really quick about how to make the carrot hot dogs. So for me, I made them a couple of times. What I usually do is use my Instant Pot. I use a marinade, which I'll show you how to do that. And then I cook them in the Instant Pot, take them out, put them on the grill. They're awesome. So hope you enjoy this video. So right now I'm going to make my marinade, and I'm going to start with 2 cups of water. Just going to mix this up. And as I already stated, I've already peeled and cut my carrots. It is kind of difficult to form these into the shape of a hot dog, but you can do your best to try. I just simply kind of round the edges off. So this is enough to cover 8 carrots. Now some of my carrots are small just by the nature of how they were. I have 2, 4, 6, I have 8 carrots that I'm putting in here. Not full-size carrots, but 8 carrots. Okay. Alright, so if you have used an Instant Pot before, then you know that it does take a little longer than what it says to cook things. What I'm going to do is press, manual for 3 minutes, and it actually will start to heat the pot up, and it will actually cook a little bit longer than 3 minutes. But once they're ready, you don't need to let them cook any longer because you don't want the carrots to get soft. And then after they are done cooking in here, I'm going to take them out and then we'll put them on the grill. Here are the carrots cooked, and we're going to be putting them on the griddle to throw them out on the grill. Alright, so here are some of the carrots that have come off the grill. And for the first one, I'm going to put a chili cheese sauce on. You can I'm going to link the cheese sauce recipe onto this video. You can see how to make that. But I'm going to start first by putting the chili on, and then I'll put the cheese on. Then I'll put the chili on top. And this chili recipe was really simple. It was just this product called TVP, which is a type of protein, and you cook it up and you can use it like a meat substitute, and it tastes really good. All I did was I made some, actually we had some already cooked up from another meal, and I took that, added a little bit of tomato paste, a little bit of chili sauce, a little bit of cumin, and some salt. The next hot dog I'm going to do is your traditional mustard with onion toppings that some people like to use. That's my favorite. I'm just going to add my mustard first. And I'm going to top that with some onions. And there you have it. 2 plant-based carrot hot dogs. They're very good. You should try it. So I've already tried the hot dog that has the mustard on it and onions. I've ate that before, but I've never tried the chili cheese dog. So I'm going to try this. I'm hoping it's going to be really great. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If you're looking for a healthier way to eat, please, please, please try the carrot hot dog recipe. It's wonderful. Everything is vegan. Everything is plant-based. You will not be disappointed. Again, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment.